world is changing every day. That's why it needs things that are always one step ahead of the rest. Rittal develops exactly such things. We believe that nothing should stay as it is, not even when it is perfect. Because we can exceed that and make it even more perfect. In order to improve what seems beyond improvement, we take unusual paths. Our staff show courage when challenging their very best ideas. Radical describes their thoughts and likewise their actions, time and time again. No one here is afraid of change. We live for it. This explains why what we produce is better and faster and everywhere. Complex and simple at once. At Rittal, we are curious and we are visionaries. That is the only thing that will never ever change. We know that every time we have created something perfect, there is still someone we can beat. Ourselves.